let's get back to this now. So stage number one was creating the AI generated videos. And stage number two is posting daily and asking, how often do you post daily? For us, we actually post 4 times a day. I've seen there was a Bollywood Instagram channel that's getting a billion views per month. And I think they publish like 18 reels per day, right? So you can smash the volume if the quality is good. That's the main thing. So as long as the quality is good, you can post as much as you want. It's very closely correlated here, right? So what I mean by that, for example, is like, if we take a look at this, maybe I'll have a look in the dashboard. You show me the analytics. All right, yeah. So you can see here, we're reaching 1.8 million people per month. Obviously, we do run Facebook ads as well, but you can see where most of our traffic is coming from, where most of our reach is coming from Reels, right? Which is this process that I'm showing you. So we reach 1.8 million people per month who are all interested in the stuff that we sell, because we create AI content and we sell the AI community. And so this generates a lot of leads for your business. It grows your account. It reaches a lot of people. I mean, just in the last 30 days, we had 28,567 interactions. And that's mostly from non-followers, right? From new people. And we've engaged 10,600 leads in the last, 30 days. Pretty wild, right? Pretty wild results. And then you can see like our top content based on interactions, how many people saw our profile, and how many followers. Now, I don't consider myself even good at this stuff, but you can see how many people are reaching, how much growth we're getting. Like we're reaching 1.8 million people. Imagine having 1.8 million people that were just watching and interacting with yourself. It would be pretty crazy. You want to just keep publishing content.